Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use paper trading in Webull. Paper trading is a fantastic tool for new and experienced investors alike. It lets you practice trading strategies in a simulated environment, completely risk-free. You can explore different order types, test various investment approaches, and gain confidence before committing any real capital. It is an invaluable way to learn the platform and market dynamics. To begin, simply open your Webull application. Look for the menu icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it and then select Paper Trading from the list of options presented. You will immediately see your simulated account, often preloaded with a generous virtual balance, typically $1 million, ready for you to start practicing your trades. Now let's place your first paper trade. Navigate to the asset you wish to practice with, perhaps a well-known stock. Tap Trade, then choose your preferred order type, like a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell, and then confirm your simulated transaction. It is just like real trading, but without the financial risk. After placing your trades, you can monitor your simulated portfolio's performance in real time. This is where you truly learn. Practice setting stop-loss and take-profit orders to understand risk management. Review your simulated gains and losses, analyze what worked and what did not, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Paper trading is a continuous learning process that builds valuable experience for your future investing journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.